Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Orange color, chocolate color, blue color, purple color, pink color, green color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes: square, circle, triangle, star, heart and pentagon. Now let's draw the shapes. Square. Next, circle. Next, triangle. Next, star. Next kids, heart. Next kids, pentagon. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, square. Next, blue color, circle. Next, chocolate color, triangle. Next, orange color, star. Next, pink color, heart. Next, purple color, pentagon. What we learn? We learn green color, square, blue color, circle, chocolate color, triangle, orange color, star, pink color, heart and purple color, pentagon. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.